Hey guys, it's Peyton and welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to show you what is in my cheer backpack. So first we have all these like bows. I have this pink out bow, I have this black bow, and then I also have this elite bow. And next, I have in the very small pocket, which is right here, this one, I have tons of bows, like hair bows, like extras. I'm very prepared for anything. Ow, my hair just got stuck. But in the next one, we have nothing. Actually, we do have stuff. We have this right here. I don't know why to. 1, 2, 3, oh. Shit. In this pocket we have pom-poms, and in this pocket we have my shoes. So that's all that. And now I am going to show you how I am going to show you some bloopers of how I made this video. Hey guys! That's horrible. Okay. Hey guys, it's Peyton and welcome. Wait, what? Oh. Cut. Hey guys, it's Peyton and welcome back to my channel. Oh, that won't work. Hey guys, it's Peyton and welcome back to my channel. And today, what are we doing? I should have planned this out before I did this video. Cut. So, I hope you like those bloopers. And now, for the moment of truth, I'm going to show you guys how I do the shoot challenge. Speed up. Look at that. That is all. And I hope you like this video, guys. I want you guys to like, subscribe, and share, and hit that subscribe button, and also turn on the notifications so you'll know whenever I post a new video. Bye.